In this video, we're taking a look at a home by Mattamy Homes. Hello everyone, this is Charlie Flores. I'm a realtor with Herron Real Estate. Today I'm out here in the Bella Lago community located in Green Cove Springs. Today we're taking a look at the Hawkin floor plan. This is a floor plan by Mattamy Homes and features 4 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, a 3-car garage, and has approximately 2,603 square feet. This home is built on a 60-foot home site, and there is opportunity to build from ground up, or a home that is under construction is available for purchase as well. Here we have the front entry door. This is an 8-foot door. As you can see, this door features glass. All right, so here we have the foyer, and this model home features the wood look tile. We're going to start the tour to the right with bedroom 4. Now you're going to notice that the model home does not have doors, and this is just for showing purposes. All right, so here we have bedroom 4. Okay, and a closet here. Now, I was mentioning about building from ground up. If you do choose to build from ground up, you do have the option to customize your home with the type of flooring, carpet, countertops, structural options as well. Here is the first full bathroom. This model features quartz countertops with undermount sink, and then the shower tub combo here. And there's a linen closet. Heading over to bedroom 3. Now, if your moving time frame does not allow to build a home from ground up and looking more for a home that is about to be completed or completed, feel free to reach out and I'd be happy to send over the builder's latest inventory on homes that will be ready soon or ready now. Now, I do not work for the builder, but can assist you in the purchase process, and I'd be happy to guide you through the new construction process, whether it's building from ground up or purchasing a home that is already completed. All right, and then before we take a look at the kitchen, we have a flex room here. Now there is an option to add the double doors that you see here. Now this room is staged as an office. It'll be a nice media room as well, or game room. Straight ahead we have the kitchen. Now this kitchen features the standard kitchen layout. There is an option to do the gourmet kitchen layout where you're gonna have the cooktop and then the double oven or a microwave oven combo. Large island. This is staged with 5 seats here at the island. Lots of room. If you're someone who likes to host, there's lots of seating here. Okay, the pantry here. And then mudroom with some shelving. Here's the laundry room. This one has a sink and cabinets. Now, if you're building from ground up, these are options that you can choose. Now, straight ahead, we have the great room or living room. And 12-foot sliders there. Now, those are 8 feet in height. 2 transom windows straight ahead, and then 2 windows here. As you can see, they've put 2 dining tables together, showing you the space. There's lots of space here in the dining area. Let's get another point of view here. And before we head over to the owner's suite, we're going to take a look here at bedroom 2. This is the mechanical room, so I won't open that. This is bedroom 2, and this bedroom features an ensuite bathroom, closet over here, and it is a walk-in closet. And straight ahead is the bathroom. So there's a nice split floor plan where you're gonna have 2 bedrooms in the front, second bedroom on the other side of the home with the bathroom, okay, walk-in shower. So bedroom 2 would be perfect for guests. Okay, and then take a look at the lanai, and then we'll head over to the owner's suite. All right, so here is the lanai. You can see it's been staged with a table and chairs, and then additional seating to give you an idea of the space. All right, let's head over and take a look at the owner's suite. All right, so here's the owner's suite. You have 2 windows here. Definitely allows lots of natural light into the room. And we'll take a look here at the owner's bathroom. All right, so 2 sinks. And this model features a walk-in shower with a bench. Okay. This is the water closet, and there would be a door here, and then the walk-in closet. If you'd like more information on Mattamy Homes, the Bella Lago community, or looking to move to the Northeast Florida area, I'd love to connect. Feel free to give me a call, shoot me a text or an email. Once again, my name is Charlie Flores. I'm a realtor with Herron Real Estate. I hope you enjoy the video.